For most of us, the ocean is a destination, a beach vacation, a hot summer day, a place to relax and then leave behind. But beneath the surface, far below the waves we swim in, exists another world entirely. A world that is deeper, stranger, and more mysterious than we ever imagine. The ocean isn't just divided into names like the Atlantic or the Pacific. It is one vast, continuous body of water, wrapping around every continent, shaping the climate, feeding billions, and producing more than half the oxygen we breathe. It holds ancient history, alien life, and secrets humanity has barely begun to uncover. The ocean covers more than 71% of Earth's surface, and yet over 80% of it remains unexplored, unmapped, and unseen by human eyes. In an age where satellites can track hurricanes from space and GPS can pinpoint your exact location in seconds, much of the ocean floor is still as mysterious as it was to early sailors. Why? Because the deeper you go, the more hostile the environment becomes. Pressure increases to thousands of times what we experience at the surface. Temperatures drop. Light disappears. Exploring the deep sea isn't just difficult, it's incredibly expensive and dangerous. In many ways, we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the depths of our own planet. The ocean is Earth's largest habitat by volume, and scientists estimate it may be home to nearly 2 million species of life. But here's the shocking part: only about 240,000 species have been officially identified. That means more than 90% of marine life remains unknown to science. Every year, new discoveries push the limits of what we thought was possible. Fish with transparent heads, squids that flash brilliant lights in total darkness, crabs that farm bacteria on their claws for food. Down there, evolution follows different rules, and every expedition reveals creatures that feel less like animals and more like science fiction. The deepest known point in Earth's oceans lies in the western Pacific, the Challenger Deep. It plunges nearly 11 kilometers, or almost 7 miles, beneath the surface. To put that into perspective, if Mount Everest were placed at the bottom of the trench, its peak would still be more than a mile underwater. At that depth, conditions are extreme: total darkness, near freezing temperatures, and crushing pressure capable of flattening most machines instantly. Only a handful of human-made submersibles have ever reached this alien world, and yet life still exists there. For as long as humans have sailed the seas, we have lost ships to them: ancient trading vessels, pirate ships, warships. The United Nations estimates there may be over 3 million shipwrecks scattered across the ocean floor, and fewer than 1% have ever been explored. Some wrecks are thousands of years old. Others, like the Titanic, still haunt our collective memory. In the cold, dark depths of the ocean, time moves differently. Without sunlight and oxygen, many wrecks are astonishingly well-preserved silent time capsules holding stories of ambition, tragedy, and survival, stretching more than 1,400 miles along Australia's northeast coast lies the Great Barrier Reef, the largest living structure on Earth. It's so massive, it can be seen from space. The reef is made up of nearly 3,000 individual coral reefs, hundreds of islands, and vast mangrove systems, more than 1,600 species of fish, hundreds of corals, sharks, turtles, rays, dolphins, and whales. An entire living city beneath the waves. When we think about oxygen, we picture forests, trees, rainforests, but more than 50% of the oxygen we breathe comes from the ocean. Tiny organisms called phytoplankton float near the surface, harnessing sunlight to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, just like plants on land. They form the foundation of the marine food web. Without them, life on Earth, both in the ocean and on land, would be drastically different. Every breath you take is connected to the sea. It sounds impossible, but it's real. Beneath the ocean's surface exist underwater rivers, lakes, and even waterfalls. These features form when dense, salty water settles into depressions on the seafloor, creating visible pools with their own shorelines. The largest known example, the Denmark Strait Cataract, plunges an astonishing 11,500 feet, making it the largest waterfall on Earth, land or sea. The ocean is not just a place. It is a living system that connects all life on Earth. It feeds us, protects us, and still holds more mysteries than answers. The deeper we look, the more we realize we've only just begun to understand the world beneath the waves, and the greatest secrets of the ocean may still be waiting to be discovered.